Hi students, welcome to my channel Easy Maths by Uncle. Students, this is the fifth video on statistics for 10th class students. Actually, in the previous videos, I explained how to find mean, median, mode in different videos. Okay, and also I explained how to plot cumulative frequency curves, less than cumulative frequency curve, greater than cumulative frequency curve also. Okay. Now in this video I am going to explain how to find mean, median, mode, three values for single problem. Okay, because in sometimes examinations they are asking like that also. If you do very slowly, unnecessarily it will take more than half an hour time. That's why to solve this problem very fastly, how you have to proceed, I am going to explain. See, observe this video completely. In this pattern only you have to solve in the examination. Within 15 minutes you can solve this problem. Okay. Students, those are watching my video first time, please subscribe this channel and also watch all my videos. Okay. And you can get notifications for upcoming videos also. Right. Students, what is the problem here? Observe. The frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode and compare them. So finally, after getting the answer mean, median, mode of this problem, we have to compare the values, how we are getting. Okay. So what is this data? It is monthly consumption of electricity bill. Okay. So 68 consumers they are checking. How many units they are using. Monthly consumption 65 to 85, like that number of consumers 4 members. Now 85 to 105 units 5 members, like that finally 185 to 205 4 members are there. Okay, students, this is the given data or general way. First I am going to find mode for the given problem, right? Next I am going to rub everything. Again I will enter this table as it is from the top. Then only this board is sufficient to solve median and also mean. Okay, otherwise this space is not sufficient. Alright, first how to find mode. Without plotting this one also, directly we can solve the problem how to find mode. Because to find the mode, you have to search highest frequency. First one is class interval, second value is frequency. In this, which is highest frequency? See, 20, right? This is the highest frequency, that means model class. Okay, this is the model class. You just draw like this, right? Now here, this is the model class. So which is the model class? Model class, highest frequency. Here also you can observe 20 is the highest frequency, 125 to 145. Then lower boundary, lower limit, anyone you can say. Okay, lower limit of model class. What is the symbol? L. How much? 125. Okay, see, this is L, right? Now this value is frequency F1. So frequency of the model class, frequency of model class. What is that value? F1. See how much? 20. That is the highest frequency, right? Now frequency of the preceding middle class. Okay, frequency of preceding model class. Here symbol F0. Okay, here top F0, downside F2. Series F0, F1, F2 like that. Okay, so preceding frequency of the model class 13 it is. Now frequency of succeeding model class. So next model class, that is F2. Model class frequency 20, next frequency it is 14. Right? Now what is the class size here? Class size H, we can denote by H. You can find the difference here. Okay, 85 minus 65, 20. Okay, 20 is the class size. Anywhere you can observe H is difference, 20 here. Now apply the formula. What is the mode? Mode means L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Remember the formula carefully. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Students, if you get any doubts regarding mode, you see that separate video is there. In that I explained two problems in detail, right? Now apply the values. What is L here? 125 plus. Now F1, it is 20 minus F0, 13 by 2 into again F1 is 20 minus F0 is 13 minus F2 it is 14 into H is 20, right? So here just apply the values. Now simplify that. This is equal to first one is 125 plus 20 minus 13 it is 7. 7 into 20 is there in the numerator. Okay. Now 22 is a 40. 40 minus 13 minus 14 it is minus 27. That equal to 125 plus 20 into 7 it is 140 by 40 minus 27 you will get 13, right? That equal to what? 125 plus, we will check this one how much it is. 140 by 13. Okay, 13 10 ja 130 directly I am writing. So 10 is divided. Put here point. Now take 0. 13 table 13 7 ja 91. Once again 90. 13 7 ja nearly. Okay. So how much I am taking? 10.77. Okay. 140 by 13 I am taking 10.76 like that you will get. If you make it round figure 10.77 you will get definitely. Okay. So now total 135.77. This is the mode. So mode of this values, how much you are getting? 135.77. Right students? Again this table I am going to write here. We will find mean and also median. Students, for this problem we get mode 135.77. For the same problem now I am going to calculate mean. Arithmetic mean we can find in three ways: direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Okay. Now I am going to solve this one in step deviation method. Just follow this problem. First class interval frequency as it is I entered here. Now what we have to find? Mid values. That is also called class mark xi. What is the mid value for 65 and 85? For this class intervals we have to find mid values. Okay. Mid value of 65 and 85 is 75. How to get this 75? 65 plus 85 by 2. Okay. Mean of these two. Average of these two. That is mid value. We can say class mark also. Xi symbol. Right. Now mid value of these two 85 105 it is 95. Mid value of 105 and 125 is what? 115. Students, easily also we can get these values. First you have to find 75. Later you see here class size 20. Okay, difference of any two successive lower limits or upper limits if you calculate you are getting 20. 205 minus 185. 185 minus 165, 165 minus 145, how much you are getting? 20. So that is class size. Okay, H is 20. You have to add 20 here. 75 plus 20, 95 plus 20, 115 plus 20. This is 135. Now this is 155. Now 175. Finally 195. So simply you have to add 20, 20. Right? Now what is deviation? Yeah. Here we are having xi values. In this, we have to assume one as mean. Now, suppose I am assuming this one as A. Okay? I am assuming 135 as A. Any middle value you can take. 115, 155, anyone you can take. Okay? I am assuming 135 as assumed mean. Deviation is what? Difference of these two. Xi minus A. 75 minus 135, you will get minus 60. Okay? First, you will get negative values. 95 minus 135. Here also 20 difference. Minus 40. xi minus a, 115 minus 135 minus 20. This line 0 you will get. Next 155 minus 135. Now you will get positive values 20. Now 175 minus 135 40. 195 minus 135 60. See friends, here first you are getting negative values on the line 0, assumed line 0. Now again positive values. See, after finding xi only, you can find fi xi multiplication values. Sigma fi xi you have to do sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is mean direct method. Okay. Now these are deviation values. Now you can find fi into di, total sigma fi di. This time also you can find mean in assumed mean method. So what is the formula? X bar equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. But I am going to solve it step deviation method. So for that we have to calculate mu I also. How to get mu I? Here xi minus a by h. We have to divide by h these values. What is h in this case? I told you difference of any two successive lower limits or upper limits. H we are getting 20. Okay. So minus 60 by 20 minus 3. Minus 40 by 20 minus 2. Minus 20 by 20 it is minus 1. Here 0 only, 0 by 20, 20 by 20, 1, 40 by 20, 2, 60 by 20, 3. So here also negative numbers, 0, positive numbers. Now students, fi into mu I is what? Here fi for mu I minus 3. You remember these values and these values. Take care about this. 4 3 minus 12. 5 2 here minus 10. 13 1 is minus 13. This one is 0 only. Now 14 into 1, positive values 14. 8 into 2, 8 is 16. 4 into 3, 4 is 12. What is sigma fi mu I? Okay. Positive values 16 plus 14, it is 30. 30 plus 12, it is 42. Okay, positive value. Now negative value 12 and 38, it is 35 minus 35. Right? Difference we are getting 7 positive value. So this is 7. Sigma fi mu I we are getting 7 plus 7 only. Okay. Now already he has given total 68. Total consumers 68. He has given like that. If you add all these values also you will get sigma fi 68. Now what is the formula to find mean in step deviation formula? Mean equal to x bar. That is what? A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. That's the formula. Now what is a here? A means assumed mean. You can write here. What is a assumed mean here? You are assuming 135. Okay. Now what is h here? H is 20. Now sigma fi is what? 68 he has given. Now sigma fi mu I is what? Positive value 7. Now I am substituting these values. A it is 135 plus sigma fi mu I it is 7 by sigma fi 68 into h is 20. Okay. Now you can calculate here like this. Cancel these two values. 4 table. 4 5 are 4 1 are 4 7 are. Okay. 17 4 is 68. So how much it is? 135 plus 7 5 are 35 by 17. That equal to 135 plus. This how much? 35 you have to divide by 72. 17 2 is 34. 1 point take 0. It is not possible. So once again put here 0, take one more 0. Okay. 17 6 nearly. Okay. So you are getting 2.06. So final answer is 135 plus 2, it is 137.06. This is arithmetic mean. So in step deviation I am getting 137.06. If you do in direct method or assumed mean method, you will get same answer. There is no difference in different methods. Okay. In all methods you will get same answer. Now students, for the same problem we will find median. So median formula we will write first. What is the median? Median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here, what is L? It is lower limit of the median class. N is total frequency, so N by 2 we can find. N they had given 68 total consumers. Now minus CF, that is cumulative frequency preceding of the median class. F is frequency of the median class. H is class size. We will observe here what are all those things. First we have to find cumulative frequency. He has given class interval frequency. Students, separate video is there to find median. I explained different problems. Okay. Here frequency after you have to find cumulative frequency. That is CF. Okay. In shortcut CF. How to find cumulative frequency? Two types. You can add top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay. For less than cumulative, top to bottom we can add. So first 4 only. Okay. 65 to 85 cumulative frequency 4. Next 4 plus 5. Okay. That is 9. Next 9 plus 13. It is 22. Now 22 plus 20. That is 42. Now 42 plus 14. That is 56. 56 plus 8. 64. 64 plus finally 4. 68. See, total frequency has got 68. We are also getting same 68. From bottom to top also you will get again same number 68 here. Right? This is the cumulative frequency. Students, that is nothing but N. So here how much we are getting N equal to 68. That implies first we have to find N by 2. Okay? According to formula, we have to find first N by 2. That is 34. Now such 34, where it comes in this cumulative frequency? Here up to 4, 34 is not there. Up to 9, no. Up to 22, no. So up to 42, yes. We are getting 34 in this class. Okay. So this is the median class. Right? You write this as median class. In this median class, this one is lower limit. So 125, it is L. And 20, this is the median class frequency. Okay. Frequency of the median class 20. Now this 22 is CF. It means what? This is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Okay? Preceding median class. Now H is what? It is 20. Right? In this case, H is 20. Okay? And 125. L is how much we are getting? 125. Already N by 2 34 written here. And the cumulative frequency and frequency. Frequency is 20. Okay. Now cumulative frequency is what? 22. These values we have to substitute in the formula. So median is what? L plus. L is 125. Okay. Lower boundary of the median class, that is L. Okay. For mode also we are taking like this only. You can read as lower limit or lower bound of the median class. No problem. Right. L is 125 plus N by 2. N is 68. Okay. N by 2 already we calculated 34. 34 minus cumulative frequency is 22 by frequency 20. Again class size is also 20 in this case. Okay. Here 20 cancel. 125 plus 34 minus 22. It is 12. So finally how much we are getting? 137. Okay. 137. This is the median. Students, mode 135.77, mean 137.06. Now median. How much we are getting median? 137. Just compare these values. He is asking compare these values. We are getting approximately equal values. You are right like that. Okay. For this problem, mean, median, mode are approximately equal. Okay. Students, actually I am explaining, that's why it is taking 20 minutes time. But if you solve this one fastly, it will take only 15 minutes. Okay. Try to solve like this and okay, get good score in the examinations. Students, this mean, median, mode, please watch separate videos. By that you will get good experience. Thanks for watching.